Hello everyone, I am Vyumesh Singh from Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to talk about CCMT counseling for MTech admission in NIT, IIIT and Centralized University. From CCMT, you can get admission in NIT, all 30 NIT, some of the IIIT and some of the Central University, and we are going to discuss the cutoff of all the colleges, so you can get the idea what college you will get according to your GATE score. It will give you little idea where you can apply and what can you get according to your GATE score. What is our resource for that information? We are referring CCMT website itself for 2020. Last time CCMT was organized by NIT Jaipur. You can see it is NIT Jaipur website. You can see here what is given in the website. Fee details is given. You can see all the colleges fee details is given here. Apart from that, there is maximum minimum GATE cutoff for every college for spacer round 1 and 2. We are just using the last spacer round 2. This is the spacer round 2 for 2020. We are also providing you the information of 2019 and 18 GATE cutoff of round 3, not round 1. So maybe you are not getting the admission in round 1, but in round 3rd you can expect the admission. Why we are telling you what is our resource? Because we have seen that 2020 GATE cutoff is quite less than earlier GATE cutoff for each of the college. If you see the pattern for till the 2018 and 19, the GATE cutoff always increase or remain the same. But in 2020, according to the CCMT website, round 2, spacer round 2, the cutoff decreased drastically. Which colleges are participating under CCMT website? All the NIT, 30 NIT I think, IIITM Gwalior, IIIT Allahabad, IIIT Jabalpur, IIIT Bhubaneswar, IIIT Lucknow, IIIT Pune, Kurnool. Apart from that, IIEST Howrah, Peck College Chandigarh, University of Hyderabad, NITTR Chandigarh and Sant Longwal Institute. I am not going to talk about these last two colleges. If you want, you can check the CCMT website. Apart from these two colleges, I am going to talk about all the college, only computer science related subject. Geeks for Geeks is for computer science, so we are not going to talk about other subjects. First college we are going to talk about none other than NIT Trichy. NIT Trichy is top NIT. There are top 4 or 5 NIT, NIT Trichy, Surathkal, Calicut, Warangal and Rourkela, NIT Allahabad, NIT Jaipur and NIT Bhopal, NIT Kurukshetra, NIT Nagpur. These are the top 10 NITs where you can expect good academics as well as good placements. Top NIT like Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal, Calicut, people prefer them more, students prefer these NITs more than even IIT. New IIT as well as IIT Roorkee and Guwahati as well. What we can see, let me tell you, NIT Trichy provide specialization or MTech in 3 subjects, data analytics, computer science and engineering, and there are 2 batches of computer science engineering I think, because that's what given in the CCMT website. You can see for data analytics, for general, cutoff in 2018, 695, then 2019, 718, and in 2020, I have already told you, the cutoff is surprisingly very less. Why? We don't know that, but we are using the CCMT data. After that, for computer science, you can see what is the cutoff in 2019. 770, even 2020 737, which is much higher than most of the IIT. I am not talking about the old 7 IIT, but much higher than top IITs. This is again the computer science and engineering batch 2, I don't know why. Then cutoff for 2019 730 and in 2020 it is 663. After Trichy, we are going to talk about another top NIT, which is NIT Warangal. NIT Warangal provides the MTech in 2 subjects. One is computer science and information security. Another is computer science and engineering. Cutoff for computer science and information security in 2018-19 it is around 720 or 730, but in 2020 it is 655. For computer science and engineering, cutoff you can see 762 for 2019 and 760 for 2018 after third round, not first round. In 2020 it is 721. Then NIT Karnataka, or we can say NIT Surathkal, it is providing the MTech in 3 subjects: computational and data science, computer science engineering, which is information security, and computer science and engineering. Now, cutoff for data science it is launched in 2019 only. The cutoff for general was 714 and cutoff for 2020 was 680. For information security, cutoff for 2019 707, which is quite high. Why cutoff was drastically less in 2020? I don't know that, but cutoff is 628 for general. In computer science and engineering, cutoff was 737, and in 2019 and in 2020 678. If your score is lie between that, then you can expect in third round. In NIT Calicut, again there are 2 branches: information security and computer science and engineering. For computer science and engineering information security, the cutoff would be lie normally between 650 to 690, but in 2020 cutoff was quite less, which is 601. For CSE or core CSE, cutoff for 2019 707 and for 2020 it was 611. Now we are going to talk about top NIT in North India, which is NIT Allahabad. So NIT Allahabad provides 3 courses for MTech: information security, software engineering, and computer science and engineering. For information security, cutoff normally lies between 650 to 680, but last year it was 574, drastically less. For software engineering, cutoff lies between 650 to 670 normally, but last year it was again 570 around. For NIT Allahabad CSE, cutoff lies between around 700, but last year it was 640. Now NIT Rourkela, it is again very good NIT. The branches they offered: information security, CSE, and software engineering. For information security, cutoff normally lie between 620 to 640, but last year it was around 560. For computer science, the cutoff lies around 650 or 690, as it is one of the top NIT again, but for last year it was 600 around. For
software engineering,
cutoff lies between 590 to 630, and last year it was 558. Then NIT Jaipur Malvi College, it is again very famous college. Placement is okay, but academics is good. They provide the MTech in information security and computer engineering. For information security in 2020, cutoff was for general was 519, but normally cutoff lies between 600 to 626. After this, for computer engineering, cutoff was 550 around for general, but normally cutoff lies around 630 to 650. NIT Bhopal, they provide 4 specialization for MTech: artificial intelligence, information security, computer network, and advanced computing. What was the cutoff there? For advanced computing, normally cutoff lies around 590 to 614, but in 2020 cutoff was given in CCMT website, round 2 is 500. For artificial intelligence is nowadays in a boom. It is launched in 2019. Cutoff was 650 around. In 2020 it was 562. Information security, the cutoff lies around 570, 580, but last year it is after second special round 2 was 489. In computer networking, normally people are not very keen right now for computer networking because of very less demand. But cutoff normally lies between 560 to 580, but last year after a special round it was 465. Now we are going to talk about colleges which are not top 10 NIT. NIT Jamshedpur provide the MTech in two specialization. One is computer science and engineering. Another one is information system and security. For information and security, I don't know why, but in 2019 there is no cutoff given on CCMT website. So for 2018 the cutoff around 521. Last year it is drastically less than 400. For CSE, cutoff was 570 around all the time, but last year it is 480. Now NIT Kurukshetra, which is situated in Haryana, and academics wise it is quite good. Placement wise it is somehow normal. They provide the MTech in cyber security and computer engineering. For cyber security, cutoff always lie around 600, but last year it was around 500. For computer engineering, their cutoff is between 590 to 620, but last year it was 520. Till now you might have seen the pattern. Last year the cutoff after spacer round 2 score is around 70 to 80 less. So after spacer round, if that scenario follows this year as well, so you will get the admission easily. In NIT Nagpur, only one branch is offered, computer science and engineering, and cutoff is normally 630 to 670, but last year it is 562. NIT Jalandhar, which is situated in Punjab. In Punjab, there are two top colleges, NIT Jalandhar and PEC, Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. Surprisingly, PEC is better than NIT Jalandhar, placement wise as well as academic wise, but you can prefer NIT Jalandhar because it has the brand of NIT. Whenever you are going in other state for a job, specifically in academic job, NIT brand plays a good role than PEC or other colleges. Because if you are going in South India, they might aware of NIT Jalandhar, but they might not aware of PEC. And even if you are going for higher education like a PhD, NIT tag matters. In NIT Jalandhar, for information security, normally cutoff lies around 530 to 550, but last year it was 450 after spacer round 2. For CSE, normally cutoff lies between 540 to 575, but last year it was 430 around. NIT Agartala, we are going now NIT in Northeast. Placement wise, they are not very good, and cutoff is very less. So even though your rank is not in top 2000, 3000, you will easily get admission in Northeast. If you want just NIT tag, you can get admission in New NIT, Northeast NIT, NIT Jammu, there. So NIT Agartala provide the two specialization, artificial intelligence and CSE. Artificial intelligence launched last year itself. The cutoff was 356. For CSE, cutoff normally lies around 500, you can see, but last year it was drastically less after spacer round 2, which is 352. In NIT Delhi is new NIT, but it is situated in Delhi. So demand is little bit higher because the collaboration of the colleges which are in metro cities with companies are much closer than the colleges which are in far away like Northeast colleges. So cutoff in NIT Delhi you can see more than 600 most of the time. It is much higher than many NIT, old NIT. But last year was around 500. After that, we are going to talk about NIT Durgapur. It offers MTech only in one branch, computer science and engineering. And for computer science and engineering, cutoff normally lies around between 520 to 550. But last year, after spacer round 2, cutoff was 437. Now NIT Goa, if you are a person who like chill environment, so you might be thinking of NIT Goa. I know a professor of IIM Bangalore who went for one NIT just because it is at B side, and so you might prefer that. In NIT Goa, cutoff is higher, you can see around 550 all the time, But in 2020, cutoff after Spacer Round 2 was 414. NIT Hamirpur is old NIT. It offers MTech in 3 branches: mobile computing, CSE and artificial intelligence. Since last year, mobile computing was not offered, so maybe they won't offer this time as well. So in 2020, I am telling you, mobile computing was not offered. Before that, the cutoff was around 500. Now CSE cutoff is always around more than 550, but last year after Spacer Round 2, cutoff was 434. For artificial intelligence, which was launched last year only, cutoff was 465. Now NIT Meghalaya, which offers MTech only in one branch, CSE, cutoff is quite less, you can say. All the time it is around 450 to 480, but last year it was 370. NIT Nagaland, last year cutoff was not given, and normally cutoff is around 450. NIT Patna offers MTech in two branches, computer network and information security. Computer network students are not preferring right now because of less demand, but information security is always in demand. The cutoff always is more than 500, but last year it was approximately 400 only. Now, for information security, cutoff again you can see more than 500, around 500, but last year it was around 422. NIT Puducherry, they offers MTech only in one branch, CSE, and cutoff is more than 500 all the time, but last year it was, after Spacer Round 2, 379. Then NIT Raipur, which is situated in Chhattisgarh, they offers MTech only in information technology. Cutoff always higher than 500, but last year after Spacer Round 2 it is 410. Then NIT Sikkim, only CSE branch is there. Cutoff always around 450, more than 450, but last year after Spacer Round 2 it is 356. Then NIT Arunachal Pradesh, then branch is Computer Science and Engineering. The cutoff is always more than 450. Last year it was 360. Then NIT Manipur, only Computer Science is there. Cutoff is more than 450 all the time. Last year it is 352. Then NIT Silchar, branch is only CHE offered, and cutoff is always more than 500. But last year it was around 400. Then NIT Srinagar, and branch is offered communication and information technology. If you are not very much interested in communication part or signaling part, so you should not go there. Cutoff is around 450 all the time, but last year it is 350. Then we are going to talk about NIT Surat, which is situated in Gujarat. Branch is computer engineering, and cutoff is always more than 600, but last year it is 515 after Spacer Round 2. Then NIT Uttarakhand, it is new NIT. They offers 2 branches, artificial intelligence and computing system. For artificial intelligence, cutoff is more than 500 all the time, but last year it is 380. For computing system, cutoff is more than 470 to 500, but last year it is 370. NIT Mizoram, only branch CSE, and cutoff is around 450 all the time, but last year 360. Then NIT Andhra Pradesh cutoff like 360. Then now NIT over, we are going to talk about triple ITs. There are 2 or 3 kind of triple ITs. Some of them are governed by Central University, like Triple IT Gwalior, Triple IT Allahabad. There are some colleges which are privately owned, like Triple IT Hyderabad, Triple IT Bangalore, and there are some other Triple IT, like Triple IT Delhi is governed by Delhi government. Its name is Indraprasth, not Indian. So you need to read carefully where you want to go. If you want to go for Central University, this is always Indian Institute of Information Technology. Now, this is Triple ITM Gwalior, name is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, I think. And branches, they offered information security and computer networking. The cutoff you can see always around 500, but last time it is around 430. For computer networking, cutoff is again around 500, but last year it is 380. For Triple IT Allahabad, it is very premier because of its academics, not because of placement. Placement is somehow good, but not very best. But their academics is really good. They offer information technology through CCMT. Cutoff is always more than 600, but last year it is 574. After Triple IT Allahabad, we are going to talk about Triple IT Design and Manufacturing Jabalpur. The branch is offers CSE. Cutoff is around 500 all the time, but last year it is drastically less, 370. In Triple IT Vadodara, again only one branch is offered, CSE. Cutoff is always around 500, but last year 352. Then Triple IT Bhubaneswar branch only one offers, CSE, and cutoff is 500 in 2019, but in 2020 it is less than 370. In Triple IT Lucknow, only one major is offered, computer science. Cutoff is around, you can expect 500. This is the only college where you see the cutoff increases. In all the colleges we have discussed, in 2020 cutoff decreased very drastically, but in case of Triple IT Lucknow, cutoff increases. In Triple IT Pune, I have told you Triple IT Pune does not have its own campus itself, but if you want to prefer that, you can go there. So cutoff was 570 around in 2019, but in 2020 it is 450 around. Now Triple IT DM Kurnool, they offers MTech in Data Analytics and Decision Science, so which is very much in demand right now. Cutoff was very less, 356, so you can think about that, but placement is not too good. Now one college in Havra, Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, they offers MTech in two branches, Information Technology and CSE. For Information Technology, cutoff is quite high, more than 500, around 550, but last year it was 450. For CSE, cutoff you can see around 600 all the time. Last year it is 550. It has very good placement as well, and its academics is also really good. It is one of the best colleges in Kolkata or in West Bengal. Now I am going to talk about Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. It is one of the top college, better than many of the NIT. Placement wise it is also good, but if you are thinking to pursue a PhD or going for the academics in South India in future, you might be struggle there because many of the colleges where you are applying don't know about PAC. So that's the only problem. Otherwise, this college is really good. If you want to go for the placement, this is one of the very fine college. The branches they offers are CS, Computer Science in Information Security and CSE. For Information Security, cutoff normally lies around 470, but last year it is 352. For CSE, cutoff is always more than 500. Last year it was drastically less, 360. University of Hyderabad, it is Central University of Hyderabad, I think. It offers MTech in 4 branches: Artificial Intelligence, Information Security, Information Technology and Computer Science. Hyderabad is kind of hub of Computer Science and Information Technology. The placement wise, it is good college and cutoff is quite less, so you can get admission there. So for Artificial Intelligence, cutoff is always around 600. Last year it is 520, but normally you can get admission around 600 only. In Information Security, cutoff is comparatively less, which is around 550, but last year it is around 450. For Information Technology, cutoff is always more than 500. Last year it was 430. For Computer Science, cutoff around 550. Last year it was around 500. So this is all about the cutoff. Now you can think which college you can get. You need to apply in CCMT. So we will tell you the process once the counseling is open. Right now counseling is not open. We are just telling you the previous cutoff of all the NIT, triple IT and some central university. So now you need to think about which college you want. Means there are some NITs are very good, some NITs are not very good, specifically placement wise. So you need to think about that. We surely provide you the video on the ranking of the NIT placement wise and academic wise. If you are going for the academics, you can choose NITs and triple ITs over all the private colleges. But there are some colleges which are not central governed, but they are performing better. They are providing better placement than NITs. Another thing is there are top NIT like Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal, Calicut. Their cutoff is quite higher than IIT. First of all, they have great alumni system, so you will get the reference very easily. Their placement is very much as good as the old IIT, and academics wise, research wise, they are very good. And NIT fees is quite less than IITs. So these are the factors you need to think before getting the admission. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. If you have any query, please leave your comment in comment section.